How to change the language in AI Sonic. If you have been using the AI Sonic application and wondering on how to change the language on it, don't worry. In this video, I will show you how to do it. So let's get started. First of all, open the AI Sonic application. Just like this. After opening it, you will find something like this on your home screen. Now to change the language, you need to simply add the title or generate something. Now simply add the title right here. Now add your length that you would like, just like this. Now to change language, simply tap on to output language right here, select it, and from here you can simply choose the language that you would like to change, just like this. And after that, simply tap on to generate. And now you can see the language has been changed onto this app. Now do the same process to change into another languages. And that's it. This is how you can change the language in AI Sonic. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.